Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up our drawable crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the ideas, all the beautiful design, all the beautiful pattern ideas. So get ready to create a practical garments for your little ones. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the beautiful design and pattern ideas. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet baby frocks designs ideas using yarn and technique. Learn how to crochet a beautiful and comfortable outfit for your babies, for your little ones. So please watch this video till end without skip. You see in this video many different pattern and different ideas about baby frocks design. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add some pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves, we will use different techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock style. Add embellishments like button or applique work, beads, pearls, stones and many different accessories. These all the ideas are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Add embellishments and decor your baby frocks easily, and that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look comfortable crochet baby frock is complete and ready to wear, ready to gift for your lovely ones, for birthday parties, baby shower and many other functions, many other events. If you want more information, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, different videos and tutorial ideas. Please share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work, knitting work, crochet work, baby frocks and different accessories, home decoration items and different ideas. Happy hooking. We will be seeing you in the next video. If you want to see more ideas about soft and comfortable, perfect for babies, sensitive skins, unique and handmade, a special gift for babies. Thanks for stitching along with me. If you want more information, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.